Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to sell Pi coin and whether or not it is possible thing to do. In order to check it out, you will have to first open your web browser. You can do it in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar you first have to search for coin market cap. So if you don't know, coin market cap is a place where you can get to know a lot of things about the token that you have in different exchanges. So over here we are going to find out whether PI token is available on coin market cap or not. If it is available, then you can trade it, but if it is not available over here, then unfortunately you will not be able to trade PI token. So in order to find it, you will have to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and in the search bar you simply need to search for Pi. Once you type Pi, you are going to see the Pi icon that has the similar logo of Pi network. So if you click on the Pi network, then you will be redirected on the overview page of Pi. And as you can see over here that its current price is $40.98. If you see its chart, you are going to see that its all-time high was $121. If you scroll down or if you click on this markets tab in the top, you are going to see all of the exchanges at which you can find PI token. Now, if you are able to find PI token on coin market cap, it simply means that you can easily trade it. If you can trade it, it simply means that you can easily sell it on these exchanges. Now, in order to check it, you will have to click on PI/USDT, and then you will be redirected on bitmart.com, where you just have to log in into your Bitmart account, and here you are going to see the PI network section. But here let me tell you that as of right now there is no such way of selling your PI token because PI token is not officially launched. It simply means that this PI network is completely fake. You don't need to trust it over here, you don't need to use it. So in this situation, what you can do to sell your PI network, so the best method that I can provide you is by using some third-party platforms. For example, you just have to open a new tab in your PC, and in the search bar you will have to search for twitter.com or x.com. After that, you just have to log in into your Twitter account. Okay, so once you have successfully logged in, you need to use this search bar in the top, and in the search bar you will have to search for hashtag PI payments. After that, you need to press enter on your keyboard, and once you do this, you are going to see a bunch of different methods, basically bunch of different ways that you can use to trade your PI network. But you need to beware of the scammers over here because there are a lot of scammers out there. So you just have to make sure that you are trading with the legit person. The second method that you can use is you can use PI networks ecosystem, because in PI networks ecosystem you are going to get different ways that would allow you to spend your PI network, and in return you are going to get some of the other perks and benefits. So as of right now, this is the only method of selling the PI network. If I talk about this coin, then this is completely fake, as I told you already. So you need to just stay away from this coin over here. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.